Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where Windows 11 file sharing is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings. Then you can select advanced sharing settings. Now we have the option for network discovery both for private and public network. You can turn it on or you can turn it off, but if this file sharing is not working, you will have to turn on both of them for the private network or the public network, whichever you are using. In my case, I never use the private network, so I will turn it on for the public network. Okay, so now your PC can be found by other devices on the network, which means that if they check the network here, your device will appear on it. And the same goes for file and printer sharing, but it also allows people to access it with certain protocols. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.